Welcome to my morning walk video. Yeah, I just did a market video earlier. Yeah, you can check it out in my other video. But right now I'm just gonna do a little walking around like, the area in here in Hua Hin. Show you guys what's going on like early in the morning. Right now it's about 7 o'clock. Well, not too early, but right now it's 7 o'clock. So I'm gonna show you guys around. People are going to work, going to school. I watch a few videos here on Hua Hin. I think his name is Johnny. He does a lot of video here. Before I came to Thailand, I came across his video, but I wasn't sure where he was at based on the city, and then later on when I was looking to come to Thailand, I started watching more and more videos on Thailand, and that's when he popped up again, and I realized it was in Hua Hin. Where am I going now? Let's go this way. A lot of traffic. Got some fried chicken. Yeah. สวัสดีครับ เท่าไหร่ครับ5 บาทฮะ15ครับ15 15 อันนี้อะไรครับขนมโถโอเค Yeah, let me get one of these right here. Grab me some dessert on the road here. 15 baht is 50 cents. What I just bought. My advice about being in Thailand is watch where you walk and careful when you cross the road. As I'm gonna try to attempt to cross the road right now. Okay. Let's not get killed making videos. Please don't bite me. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. I thought he was gonna get me. Yeah. Most time I'm in Thailand, I eat off those little food cart. That's probably the best food. I wouldn't say the best food. That's what I like most. Sorry, up. Sorry, cup. Sorry, cup. 5 baht. 5 baht. Yep. That's 5 baht. I'll put the numbers up. Get 2, okay? If you have 2. Yeah, it's a walk around snack. That was pretty good. Yeah, I'm sweating. It is really hot. Nakhon Phanom weather is probably one of the better weather ever since I've been at all the places I've been in Thailand. Look right, look left. Okay. What? No, that's rice. You want to try some of these? You want sausage or no?
Yeah, there's like a...
No, this like a Chinese sausage.
No, not Chinese.
Okay.
Let's go.
No parking. I don't know if the mic could pick up the karaoke. I wouldn't say karaoke. I'm wrong for that. I think somebody just singing a song, probably his own song, but is that still considered as karaoke? No, that is not karaoke. Alright, Thai massage for 300 baht. Makes Thai and oil massage. Yeah, there's a lot of little snack cart. So you walking around spending like 5 baht, 10 baht. It's less than $1. So $1 is right now is exchange. I believe it's like $1 you get 33 baht. So you spend 30 baht getting 3 different stuff to eat. This is the Chan Hotel. It's pretty nice. Well, I'm in my walking video here, and I will see you guys in the next video.